is Valentin Hamburger. I'm a senior technical account manager from Austria, and I do serve a couple of big customers which are currently exploring the software-defined data center, and I try to help them to also get the operational stuff right and find their way through how to deliver services within their environment.
My name is Bjoern Brundert. I'm a senior technical account manager as well, so I'm working in the same team as Valentin, also supporting several customers from various industries on their journey to the cloud or to the software-defined data center. And it's not just about the technology, but we're also focusing on the people and processes, part of the magic triangle as we call it. So whatever comes to mind when it comes to services definition, but also team cooperation, and also the inclusion of several departments, because software-defined data center is not just about virtualization.
We are going to have a session on multiple customer lessons learned in the software-defined data center when it comes to operations. So we focus on the operational bits and bytes of this whole thing, and we're trying to bring some real-life examples from customers we have seen, we have experienced, and what they have done to overcome their kind of challenges when they implement such a software-defined data center, in terms of what just Bjoern said, in terms of people and processes, in terms of silos, things like that. So we're trying to shed some light on this in our session.
Sharing quick wins so that people coming home can then start focusing on that transition path and not focus on the things that might be too complex, so focus on the stuff that can be implemented easily, or the quick wins that can be shown to internal management, for example, so they can really start working with it instead of just focusing on what's not going.
I think it goes skyrocket, because I think it's a very, very important topic, and I speak for the German part of Europe, but we see this this topic comes up very, very often, and it's at the moment it's, you know, wherever you are, when it's about cloud and stuff, it's like, how do we do this? Do you have some guidance? What can we do about this? So I would say it's absolutely important that we have more, talk about it. We spread the word, and we kind of educate our customers about that, because it's becoming super important in my opinion.
Yeah, I have an operations background, so I was responsible for a infrastructure before I came to VMware, and I saw all these challenges already in a virtualized world. So bringing the teams together wasn't really necessary in a virtualization-only infrastructure. But when it comes to cloud and this whole notion of self-service and rapid deployment, then you cannot wait until everything is ready for, 1, 2, 3 weeks. So, and that would be an ideal case. But it has to go on smoothly end to end, and this is how the whole operations process needs to look like. So the topic itself is new, but cloud and software-defined data center are adding lots of velocity in that transition process for the people and processes part as well.